I thought it was a photo.
Lily,
Give me that.
hold on to the rod.
Wait.
Here.
Right here, he's got it.
Oh.
Real.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that sheepshead is huge.
Yeah. My bad.
That thing was huge. Hello friends, welcome to Orange Beach, Florida. We're after sheepshead, but if you watch my normal videos, I live in Wisconsin. These are the saltwater version of sheepshead, not freshwater drum. We were fishing with Fins and Family Fishing. It's a guide down in Orange Beach and Gulf Shores, Alabama, because I don't have a boat. I need someone to help me out get these fish. It's simple fishing really, egg sinker and a live crab for a bait. Throw it near some rocks and hope for some bites. Yeah.
Oh.
Is that pinfish?
I'm getting that for that one.
You gotta get a picture for that. You got a little snapper. Oh, is that pigfish? There we go. Yeah. This one's good, feels good. That's a big,
Oh, see that?
big sheepshead. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's huge. Yes. They have like human looking teeth. Look at that fish. Oh, he's inhaled it. I don't even know. You're gonna get that hook.
Pair of scissors and find new hook on.
Okay. All of this. My goodness. Thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here, you want to hold the rod? Let me take that.
What is that called?
Sheepshead.
Oh, that's cool.
Here, I gotta get it so you can see it in the sun. Look at that thing.
Whoa.
My goodness.
Oh, that's scary.
They got like human looking teeth.
I don't like that. Huge.
Oh, Lily, this is what you had, honey. Oh, Lily, come here. Or whoever's here. Lily, come here. Come here. Oh, it snapped the line.
I'm down here.
What you got? Another pigfish? Oh, I need to get your bait. You're a champ. Yeah, Lily. Real. Keep rod tip up.
It's pulling.
Just let it pull. Let it pull.
I know.
Oh, geez, that's big. Walk back, Lily.
Oh. Never seen that.
She's been pretty good at losing.
This is the third one.
Wow, Lily, that's cool. That thing fights hard. Yeah, that's right there.
Oh no.
You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, let's go in the boat.
That's cool.
That's so
I
cool.
know.
You got one? Who's that?
Nicholas.
Nick! Can we all get a land to fish today? What do we got?
Pompano.
Hey! Let's go, Nick! Nice! Nice! I'll get out of your way.
Another Pompano.
Wow, those things fight. Lily, you might have to reel in. Oh, never mind. He's behind you. Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, Joe! Nice!
Is that a
Going
fighter?
all over the place. Right in.
Yeah.
There's the old Pompano. Joe wants to eat you. Oh, Nick's on? Heck yeah. He does? Let's go, Nick! Wow! That thing is massive, Nick. Wow. Dude. He's not happy with you. You're fighting the current and that big old fish. That's so cool looking.
He's not ready yet. Yeah, that's a big one.
Wow. Look at that fish. Jeez, Nick. That one's pretty too. The one I caught was beat up.
Yeah, look at the teeth in that.
That thing is amazing. No wonder that he grabs it and just smash it like that. Look at that. What a stud.
Jeez.
Fat. What was it like fighting a pompano?
They just go side to side.
They're strong?
Yeah.
You caught a pompano and a sheepshead. Which one was fighting harder?
Sheepshead, but it was like twice as big.
Yeah, that's true. That sheepshead was massive fish.
Look at these guys.
They want some food.
Look at this one.
That's cool. Successful trip. Everybody got a fish. Nick, giant sheepshead. Holy cow. That thing's big. Yeah, I know I live in Wisconsin. We call sheepshead freshwater drum sheepshead, but down here, that's your sheepshead for saltwater. That was fun. Pompano, sheepshead, pigfish. Another species for me on the list, although I didn't catch a pompano. I'm kind of sad about that. Oh well, that's all right. Have a good one. Push good button. See ya.